Hello students, welcome to IBPS Guide YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some sentence rearrangement, two sentence rearrangement that is called parajumble for LICAO exams or SBI preliminary examination. Sentence rearrangement means that is called parajumble, and in parajumble we get 5 sentence, 6 sentence which is not in proper, which are not in proper order. Just we have to order them proper order, and after arrange these sentences, it can be a meaningful and coherent paragraph. So let's move to question number 1, and today our session is sentence rearrangement. Rearrange the following sentences into the coherent and meaningful paragraph and answer the questions that follow. Here are some sentences, that is A, B, C, D, E. The first sentence is: the marathon hearing on the cases had taken place from June to December when the division bench reserved its verdict. The several interim orders were passed. Second sentence: prominent among the petitioners were Member of Parliament Anbumani Ramados of Patali Makalkachi, and which has now aligned with the BJP AIDMK in the Lok Sabha election. C sentence is: the Madras High Court on Monday quashed the land acquisition proceedings initiated by the centre as well as the state government for the ambitious 10,000 crore Chennai Salem 8-lane Greenfield Expressway project proposed on the stretch of 277 km passing through agricultural and as well as the reserve forest land. And fourth sentence is: the judgment was delivered on the bench of cases filed by advocates, farmer and politician. And E sentence: a division bench of Justice T.S. Sivangam and B. Bhavani Saburwan quashed the proceedings after holding the environmental clearance was mandatory since the project would have an adverse impact on the environment including water bodies, and that a project report submitted by a consultant was not satisfactory. So which can be the first sentence? Our first question is, they asked what could be the fifth sentence after rearrangement. Better option, at first we have to locate which can be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, proper order, then we go through the question. Guys, one thing you have to remember, that the marathon hearing on the cases had taken place. We don't know which hearing, what is a hearing and what is the cases, we don't know. So therefore A sentence will not be the first sentence, because the first sentence will always relate it with topic and it should not have any argument and it should not have any merits or demerits. So first sentence, first sentence of parajumble will always relate it to topic. That's why B option B is also not correct, because prominent among petitioners were Member of Parliament. Here it is also not mentioned who are the petitioners and why they petitions, that we don't know. So therefore B will not the first sentence. But C sentence: the Madras High Court on Monday quashed the land acquisition proceedings initiated by the centre as well as state government for ambitious 10,000 crore Chennai Salem 8-lane Greenfield. Means they want to they want to build Chennai Salem 8-lane Greenfield Expressway, and for that project proposed on the stretch of 277 km passing through agricultural as well as reserve forest land. So that is our first sentence, because C sentence is related with proper noun, that is Madras High Court on Monday quashed means suppress करना, to सप्रेस कर दिया था कि लैंड एक्विजिशन प्रोसीडिंग इनिशिएटेड बाय, जो लैंड एक्विजिशन के जो प्रोसेस चल रहा था बाय सेंट्रल एज वेल एज स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फॉर एम्बिशियस 10,000 करोड़, इस चीज़ों के बारे में, दैट इज सेंट्रल मद्रास हाई कोर्ट ऑन मंडे दैट इज क्वॉश द लैंड एक्विजिशन प्रोसीडिंग. सो इट्स अवर टॉपिक, सो देयरफॉर सी सेंटेंस विल बी द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. And second question, second sentence, which can be the second sentence? Madras High Court, definitely it will be bench of judges, bench of justice. So E will be our second sentence. The division bench of justice T.S. Shivangaman and B. Bhavani quashed the proceeding, because first sentence is related with quashed, second sentence definitely should be related with quashed. So therefore E is our second sentence. And then they called that the project report submitted by the consultancy was not satisfactory. So definitely that was a judgment. Therefore, D will be the third sentence. A judgment was delivered on the bench of cases filed by advocates, farmers, and politicians. So D sentence is our third sentence. D will be third sentence. And after that, prominent among petitioners were Member of Parliament Anubumani Ramadas of Patali Makal Kachi. So that's why B will be the fourth sentence. And definitely last जो है, that is the A sentence, the marathon hearing, that will be the fifth sentence. A will be fifth sentence. So that's mean A order जो हमारा होगा, that will be C will be the first sentence, E second sentence, then D है third sentence, B is the fourth sentence, and A will be the fifth sentence. So the correct order of this parajumble is C, then E, then D, then B, and A. So now they ask which will be the fifth sentence after rearrangement. Fifth sentence will be definitely A, therefore option will be B. Question number 2. What could be the third sentence? Our order was C, E, D, B, and A. So definitely the third sentence will be D. So therefore our answer will be E. Third sentence is D and our answer will be E. Next question, question number 3. What could be the fourth sentence after rearrangement? Our order was C, E, D, B, and A. So fourth sentence will be B. So therefore option will be C. Question number 4. What would be the first sentence after rearrangement? Our order was C, E, B, C, E, D, B, A. The first sentence definitely C. Therefore our answer will be D. And next is, what could be the second sentence after rearrangement? Our order is, that is C, E, then D, then B, then A. So second sentence definitely E. So our option will be A. So the correct order will be C, E, D, B, A. Let's move to question number 6. Question number 6, again it is a parajumble, but that is a different parajumble. First sentence is, bleeding profusely, Dr. Tharoor was rushed to General Hospital with injuries of his limbs and both sides of his head. Second sentence, Congress MP and Thiruvananthapuram Lok Sabha candidate Shashi Tharoor sustained injuries during Thubalvaram offering at a temple here on Vishnu Day on Monday. Third sentence is, after receiving around 10 stitches on his head, he was soon shifted to the Government Medical College Hospital where he has been admitted. And fourth sentence is, a heavy hook also gave away and struck him on his head. E sentence is, that is the incident occurred Gandhari Amam Kovil and Thamampanur and around 11 a.m. when the weighing scale on which Dr. Tharoor was sitting broke and fell. And F sentence is currently kept under observation and will subjected to MRI scan, rule of internal injuries and sources said. And G sentence is, the party has called off from the formal launch of the constituency manifesto which was slated to be held this afternoon following the accident. Okay, so it's just very simple sentences. There is no any complicacy because it's an incident which is narrated and which is described by some author, some writer. So which can be the first sentence? Definitely Congress MP Thiruvananthapuram Lok Sabha candidate Shashi Tharoor sustained injuries during Thulavaram offering temple here on Vishnu on day. So B will be the first sentence. Next, the incident occurred Gandhi. So E is the second sentence. The incident occurred at Gandhari Amman Kovil and Thamampur around 11 a.m. The incident happened हुआ था कहाँ पे ना 11 a.m. पे happened हुआ था when weighing scale on which Dr. Tharoor was sitting broke and fell. So E हो गया हमारा second sentence. Then third can be, which can be the third sentence? Definitely a heavy hook also gave away and struck him on his head. So that is our third sentence. So third के बाद कौन सी इंसिडेंट हो सकता था? Bleeding profusely, Dr. Tharoor was rushed to General Hospital with injuries to his limbs and both sides of his head. So fourth sentence will be A. After that, after receiving around 10 stitches on his head, so that will be the fifth sentence. 10 stitches, and then he is currently kept under observation and will subjected to MRI scan to rule out internal injuries and sources said. So ये हो गया हमारा sixth sentence. And the last sentence is, the party has called off the formal launch of the constituency manifesto, which was slated to be held this afternoon following the accident. This will be the seventh sentence. That's when our order will be B, E, D, A, C, F and G. So which can be the first sentence? Definitely first sentence will be B. So our answer will be C. Question number 7th. What can be the fourth sentence? Our order was, you want to write that B, E, D, A, then C, then F, then G. So what can be the fourth sentence? Definitely fourth sentence will be A. That's mean option will be B. Question number 8. Next question. What can be the fifth sentence? Then they ask what can be the fifth sentence. So fifth sentence, our order, what was our order? The order was B, E, D, A, then C, then F, then G. So fifth sentence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is C. So therefore our order will be D. Question number 9. What can be the second sentence after rearrangement? What can be the second sentence? Definitely second sentence है क्या? Order B था, then E, then D, then A, then C, then F, then G. So E, that is the second sentence. So our order option will be A. Question number 10. What should be the seventh sentence after rearrangement? Our arrangement was B, then E, then D, then A, then C, F and G. So which can be the fifth sentence, seventh sentence? Definitely G. So our answer will be A. So these are the parajumble, two parajumbles today we will discuss. Today we discussed and these are not so difficult. It is very easy. Just we have get a lot of information and we have to arrange this information in proper manner. Guys, one thing, just always remember that for doing parajumble 100% accuracy, you just need little bit of reasoning ability and logical thinking. Just always think that all words, all sentences should be in logically. If you lapse in one incident, your parajumble will be wrong because the continuity of the sentences will be may be wrong. So therefore be very careful. You need just practice. So keep it on practice. In our next session, again I will come to you and bring some new types of questions for LIC exams or SBI PO, SBI prelims also. Till then, just do it practice, and goodbye. Have a nice day.